Hello, my name is Alberto Arrieta Martinez. I am 30 years old. I am plant operator worker. I live in Magangue, Bolivar. Uh, I was born in Magangue, Bolivar on 13th of May of 1983. Um, I live with my beautiful wife. She is Nicole Arrieta, and my two daughters, and my pet. My personality is seriously and yellows, mm, but I don't like it cold weather and rainy days. I like movies, watching movies, and play soccer with my friends. My daily routine is similar every day because I get up every day at 5 o'clock and I take a shower at 7 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning. I have breakfast. Then I go to the work and I have lunch at 12 o'clock because I like food. Mm, in the afternoon, I play with my daughters and our pet in the park. Finally, at night, with my family and me and I go to the restaurant. I enjoy the life. This is my short life.